All right, we go to turn 6, and these brave fellows. I did go ahead and roll for recovery. A couple of Milranovich's units did a little recovery, and Grand Dorge's battalions recovered his 2 battalions he had. So that's what happened there. So we're in turn 6. Okay. We don't have to roll for the Russians. They've already got all their reinforcements. We do have to roll for DuPont and find out if he's going to arrive. So we'll roll 1 dice. We rolled a 2, so that doesn't happen. Okay, we don't have any other reinforcements. We do roll for regrouping. And so we've got 1 French unit here that we're going to roll for regrouping. And we've got to roll a 1. And we rolled a 3. And then we've got several Russian units here. We're going to roll for the Grenadiers right there. And we rolled a 1. And so they're going to come onto the map. The leader is not there. So I guess I'll just put him here in Stein. Right there. I guess the rules state that I can activate 1 hex since he's not on. Maybe I need to just put him right there by that, and that's where he'll end up for that, since the leader's not actually there. I'm gonna go ahead and put him on. And so now what we have to do is we need to roll for initiative and alert. We got to find out if we've got Mortier aware of what's going on, and he rolls a 4, so that passes. So now he's alert of the Russians closing the door behind him, and so he needs to try to do something about that. So let's roll for initiative. We've got a 2, which becomes a 3 for the French, and the Russians get a 4, so they get to activate first on this turn 6, which turn 6 is the noon turn. And so now we'll go to that. That'll be the next thing. We'll have the first Russian activation.